Welcome back to my channel. It's Elizabeth Mmari, and today we'll be making chocolate cupcakes. 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar. This was initially granulated sugar. I had to blend it a bit to make it softer and smoother, and hence you can use 2 cups of castor sugar. Here we have 1 cup of vegetable oil. We have 2 cups of cocoa powder. Unsugared cocoa powder would be better. And this is 1 cup of milk. We're going to make buttermilk. We'll add 1 tablespoon of vinegar into the milk so that we can make buttermilk. And this is 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And here I have a mixture of 2 things. I have 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda and 3 eggs. We have a mixing bowl, a sift, and a blender. Today I'll be blending. You can always make your mixture by hand, or you can use a whisk if you have one. We'll make our buttermilk mixture by putting 1 tablespoon of white vinegar into the milk. We'll mix it completely and then let dry ingredients separately, and we'll mix our wet ingredients separately, and later on we'll mix them together. First we'll add our cocoa powder. Sift it. Then we'll add our salt, our mixture of baking powder and bicarbonate of soda. What you're trying to achieve by sifting is just to remove the lumps. Then we'll add our sugar. Mix them up. Let's mix the wet ingredients. First, we'll start with 1 cup of coffee. It's completely cold so that it doesn't cook the eggs. I forgot to mention this in the ingredients. 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 3 eggs. I'll start with the lowest speed. I realized my small bowl won't be enough. So now I'll just transfer all the wet ingredients to a larger bowl, and then we can mix in our dry ingredients. I'll mix in maybe 1/3 of them first, then we'll put the rest. We're done mixing, and this is the current consistency. It's thick, but it still pours off the spoon. So we're gonna fill our cupcakes to about halfway or 3/4 full. So I have about 24 cupcakes now. I'll let you know how many I managed to get from the butter that I have. We preheated our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. I can only get in 1.5. And before I used to put in 2 layers at the top and the bottom. Then I realized the bottom ones do not bake the same way as the top ones. So these days I just put 1 layer and patiently bake all of them. So we'll bake them for about 20 minutes and we'll see how they're doing, or until a toothpick that's inserted at the center of a cupcake comes out clean. I finally removed the cupcakes. They were baking for about 20 minutes and maybe 18 minutes. And if you want, you can make either chocolate buttercream or even vanilla buttercream to put over the cupcakes. But we always take our cupcakes as snacks, so I never put any cream over them. I just put them in the fridge, and whenever you're ready to eat them, we can eat them as a snack. These are all the cupcakes that I got. Of course, I ate about 2 of them. The ones that are cracked at the top, I baked them using the top and the lower burners both on, and the ones that are smooth on the right side, I baked them using only the lower burners. I did not turn on the upper burners. And I filled them about 3/4. The other ones I filled them about half of the cake liner. Let's get one that's not so cold. And these are cupcakes. See, so soft. They look good. Remember, you can always put your chocolate buttercream and eat them, or just take them with milk as a snack. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, write any questions. I'll be free to answer you. Till next time, Elizabeth Mmari.